With 310, I have lost 81 pounds. Before 310, before my weight loss, was the worst I have ever been. 197 pounds. Being that overweight is not fun. I was getting exhausted walking. And for my kids and my family, I needed to be healthier. I needed something on the go. I'm such a busy mom, and it is super hard to lose weight when you're that busy. It's easy to go to bad food. And I tried to find the cleanest, most healthy shake I could find. I researched every ingredient, and that's when I found 310. And it was the only shake I found that fit my clean eating. If I have to go through a drive-thru for my husband or my kids, I have my 310 shake. I kid you not, I don't go anywhere without it. Now that I've lost all the weight, it feels amazing. And it's because of clean eating and 310 nutrition. So when I was overweight, it was really, really hard to work out. And now it feels like I can do absolutely anything. I can run better, I can do stairs better, I can keep up with my children better. I'm working with a trainer that is gonna get me bikini competition ready. I can show everybody in this world you can go from being overweight to competing in a bikini competition. You put your mind to it and you can do it, and 310 has helped me every step of the way. And it's helped so much with my cravings. Nothing tastes better to me than a 310 shake. Just do it, just try it. Stay strong. My first tattoo is stay strong and stay at it. 310 is everything you need for a better lifestyle. The 310 community means so much to me. I've had so much support. When you have your weekdays, you can go to the community and you can get your help and inspiration there. Everybody there is so supportive and kind and helps you along this journey. And I want that for everybody. I love helping and inspiring others, and if my story can do that, I will forever support 310 and spread the word.